not go anywhere. But we're going to kick off the morning now with Playdays.
It's a play bus. But where does it go? Where does it stop? Watch from Silas the Lollipop. Stop! It's the Y-bird stop.
According to this, we turn left at the next set of lights.
Are you sure?
Well, yes, I think so.
Well, the light's green, so we can.
Oh, right. Oh,
Okay.
we don't know now. Oh, I think I've lost my place. Well, I can't. Oh, look at those big red doors. What's behind there? It's going up. What is it?
Can you see yet?
There's a fire engine. Is there a fire?
So, where are we?
We're at a fire station. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, look, they've got the hose pipes out.
Bye, Why? Off home now.
Bye.
You can't go yet. You haven't dried the fire engine off with a tea towel yet.
But they've got to go to bed, why?
Bed? Why?
Well, they're the night shift, Red Watch.
Red watch? You didn't wear a red watch, did you? I didn't see him wearing it. Did you see him wearing
Right,
it?
sis, you're late. It's roll call.
Roll call? Oh, roll call, why? Come on.
Sandwiches? You mean cheese rolls or ham rolls? Sorry we're late. Sorry we're late. Sorry.
Good morning, Blue Watch. Blue Watch show. Good morning, West 11 driver, 550.
I think they're taking the register.
BA entry control, 550 Fletcher.
Sir.
Driver of West 1 Zulu, 550 Hughes.
Sir.
Driver of West 1 Bravo, 550 Lachlan.
Sir.
Blue Watch, to your duties, check your BA, fall out. Why, if you'd like to follow them out and make sure they're carrying out the duties properly, thank you.
Yes, sir. I mean, I'm a supervisor.
Probably.
Ooh, come on. Can't wait.
Poke your nose in here, stick your beak in there. If you're out and about, have a look at this, take a peek at that. When you're out and about, pop a question or two in the park or the zoo. Who, why, where, how, what does it do? Time and time again, you'll find the answer when you're with the Y-bird out and about. Pardon me for being so nosy. What's behind that door? How did those get inside these? And what on earth's that for? Why is that one bigger than this one? Who's that? Oh, hello. What's she up to? Where's he off to? Very soon we'll know. Poke your nose in here. Stick your beak in there. If you're out and about, have a look at this. Take a peek at that. Come with the Y-bird out and about.
Ooh, Ossifer Tooney. What are you doing here?
Testing the line, why?
What, the washing line?
Watch me and find out.
Ooh. What if they're having a tug of war?
One on.
Oh, one on. Go.
Two on.
Go. Two on.
Three off.
I wonder if it's strong enough. I think it is. All right, Ken, I'm in position. 1, 2, 3, testing. Oh, yes, look at this. Oh, Ken, turn it off. Oh, that seemed to be working. Oh. Excuse me, Fireman Pete, but what are you doing?
Well, follow that red hose, why, and you'll find out.
Oh,
But watch out, because you might get a bit wet.
oh, well, I don't want to get my feathers damp. seems to have filled up nicely. No leaks, eh?
No.
Hello, Officer Mick. Oh, what have you got there? It looks very heavy. He must be extremely strong. What is it?
This is my breathing apparatus for when I'm in smoky buildings.
Oh, smoky buildings, eh? Well, say, look at all those beautiful yellow hats.
They're not hats, these are helmets.
Oh, helmets, eh? Mick, do you think I could possibly try one on, please?
Yes, you certainly could.
Oh, thank you. Oh, how exciting. Oh, I say, I can't see anything. Oh, help, it's all gone dark. Do you think you could possibly take it off, please? Oh, I think I'll try and find one more my size. Oh, I've gone all light-headed now. Trish,
Yes,
could
why?
you do something for me, please?
What would you like me to do for
Could
you?
you knock me up something quick, please?
Oh, yes. What would you like knocked up?
Oh, well, I'd like a fireman's helmet if that's at all possible, please.
A fireman's
Trish.
helmet? Oh, so what do we need for that? Why?
Well, something yellow, I think.
Oh.
And some
some yellow
scissors
paper.
and some... Oh, good. Oh, nice
All right.
scissors.
Let's make a start then.
Those. Oh, right. Oh, okay then. Right. What do we do with...
Fold it in two. Right. So we can get the shape of your helmet. Like that. I think it needs cutting up now.
Mind your fingers.
There. So we've got that shape. And a nice curve here. Like this. Nice pointed bit there.
Ooh.
Now we need some sticky tape. Can you put that in your beak? There. Hold on to that. There we go. Stick the top bit on. And another bit. So we've got a little bit of a shape. Shall we try it on?
Oh, yes, please.
Yep, I think that's going to fit. We'll draw around this edge. Like this. Would you like a wide brim on it?
A wide brim. Oh, yes, I better had. Then that'll stop all the water from the hose pipes from getting in my eyes, won't
All right.
it?
Now cut some fancy bits to help it stick on.
Fancy bit.
Some sticky tape. Right, well, how's that? You're going to need a little bit of elastic, I think.
Ooh.
One bit can go there. Hold that bit on. And another bit to hold this bit on. There we go. All finished. Right. Oh, there you go, Why?
Oh, I say.
You look like a real firefighter now.
Oh, lovely.
So what watch would you like to be in?
I mean, what watch would I like to be in? I don't know what watches are.
Well, watches are the names for the teams of firefighters that work in the fire station.
Oh.
So what would you like to be in?
Well, I don't know, really. I suppose I could be in the turquoise watch or,
Hold
what
still.
about the purple watch?
There.
Hey, boys, come and look at my helmet. Oh, now, what have we got here? They smell a bit well worn to me. Oh, I say, now what's going on? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, oh, dear me. I wonder where he's off to in such a rush.
No, this is just a training drill to rescue persons trapped in the tower.
Ooh, how exciting! I wonder who's trapped in the tower. Hello, Why? It's Peggy!
Peggy. Soon have you down. Come on, you can say thanks now, Peggy. Come on, let's go, Paul.
Has he got her?
Yes, he's got her.
Oh, is she going to be all right, do you
Oh, I
think?
think so.
Well, as long as he doesn't drop her.
Down now, Peg. Okay.
Oh, here they are.
Oh.
Phew. Thank you for rescuing my friend, Officer Les. You're my hero.
Are you all right, Peggy?
I'm very well, thank you.
Oh, good.
But I was helping them with their training drill.
Oh, it was a training drill.
You see, sometimes they have to rescue small people and animals from the top of high buildings.
Oh, well, he certainly managed to rescue you, Peggy.
He did. Well, anyway, I've got to go now. But thank you very much, Les.
Okay, Peggy, it was a pleasure.
Bye, Peggy. Have a safe journey.
Bye, Peggy.
Bye.
There you go, Peggy. Try now.
Help me down.
Oh, Les, it must be very dangerous being a fireman.
Not really. Why? Here at Merseyside Fire Brigade, we're trained to cope with all sorts of emergencies.
Whew.
That sounds like a real one now. Why? Try now.
Oh, it's a real one. It's a real one. Unravel the hose pipe. Get out the engines.
West 1-2,
Ring the bell.
proceed to special service call. Cat stuck in a tree. Birkenhead markings.
Well, what are we going to do now?
Oh, well, I've got a story I could tell you. Come on.
Come on. Quickly.
And it's called Firefighters. Red sky at night, sparrow's delight, said Spud. That's what my mum used to say. Yes, I love these warm summer evenings, said Spike. I hope it will be hot again tomorrow. Here comes Bob Bunny, said Spud. He's in a hurry. I'm worried, said Bob. Something's wrong. I know it's been a nice hot day, but I feel too hot. Well, said Spud, you are wearing a fur coat. Can you smell smoke? Asked Blob. I think I can. So can I, said Adamant. I hope it's not a fire. I knew there was something wrong, said Bob. I think you're all being silly, said Spud. For once, we get a really hot day, and instead of enjoying it, you all fly into a panic. To make... We birds will fly over the forest. If there is any danger, we'll warn the farmer, and he'll give the alarm. Oh, no, said Spike. It is a fire. I told you all that something was wrong, said Spud. Don't panic. I'll soon have things under control. The birds made such a noise outside the farmhouse that the farmer came out to see what was wrong. Soon the fire brigade was on the way. Aren't humans amazing, said Spud. I couldn't do that, could you? Oh, don't speak too soon, said Spike. It's not out yet. I hope he can save our homes from burning, said Blob. I hope so too, said Bob. You keep your fingers crossed. I would if I had any, said Fiona Worm. All through the night the firemen fought the flames. Many trees were now nothing but blackened stumps. At last it looked as if the fire was under control.
The animals decided to stay awake in case the wind started the fire again. "Wake me up when it's my turn to keep watch," said Adam. "Even the moon is taking a turn," said Blob. "It could easily start up again," said Red. "We must keep awake until the danger is over." "I've done my bit," said Spud. "It was me who woke the farmer up and raised the alarm." And he was soon fast asleep. In the morning, when the sun came up, the animals crept back into the forest and began the long job of cleaning up.
Oh, Officer Les, you're back!
How did it go?
It went fine, Trish. We rescued the cat from the tree and everything's fine now.
Oh, good. Mission accomplished successfully. Right, what's next?
Right, I must be off now. Gotta get changed.
Oh, we've got to get changed. What for?
If you want to fight a fire, you've got to keep fit. Do some circuit training and exercise a bit. If you want to climb a ladder or heave a heavy hose, you need some big strong muscles every firefighter knows.
Step up, step down, get down in a squat. Gee up as far as possible and run round on the spot. Sit up, sit down, do the dorsal raise. Have a stretch or two and you're ready to fight a blaze. If you want to fight a fire, you've got to keep fit. Try some tricep presses, build those biceps up a bit. If you want to turn the turntables and work the water pump, you've got to practice press-ups and push-ups and burpee jump. Step up, sit down, get down in a squat. Gee up as far as possible, then run round on the spot. Sit up, sit down, do the dorsal raise. Have a stretch or two and you're ready to fight a blaze. Step up, step down, get down in a squat. Jump as far as possible, then run round on the spot. Sit up, sit down, do the dorsal raise. Have a stretch or two and you're ready to fight a blaze.
Bye. Bye. Well, that's Blue Watch finished for the day.
Oh, does that mean that Red Watch will be back?
Well, there might be. Or Green Watch or White Watch. Have you decided which watch you'd like to be yet? Why?
Oh, I think I'd like to be Pink Watch.
Oh, Pink Watch it is. But Pink Watch has got to go now. Bye.
Bye. Hey, wait for me, Trish. Don't go without me.
High-performance, high-tech robot